In this tutorial, we are going to discuss about classes and objects. We will learn about classes and objects in Java. We will cover object-oriented programming, classes in Java, and objects in Java. Object-oriented programming in Java. Object-oriented programming is supported in Java. As its name suggests, this approach of programming is object-based. The object is a data structure having attributes and methods. Object is the instance of class that contains behavior and state, or we can say properties in other words. For example, car has the state like stops running and color. If you look around, you will find many live examples of objects like humans, bikes, cars, dogs, etc. Java objects have very similar characteristics like real-world objects having a state and behavior. A Java object's behavior is shown by a method and its state is stored in the fields. Object-to-object communication is done through methods, and methods operates on object's internal state. Classes in Java. A class can be defined as a template blueprint that describes the behavior state that object of its type. In other words, a class is a blueprint from which individual objects are created. Here is an example of class loin, which has a string type variable date, which is age, string color, and the three methods and the three methods rolling, hungry, and rolling. Objects in Java. Object is the instance of class which has behavior and states, or we can say properties in other words. To declare an object in Java, new method is used. An object is declared using a variable name, object name, and type of object, main class, MC, and then semicolon. And to instantiate the object, we can use the new keyword. So MC is equal to new main class. Here is a complete example of main class, and if you run the example, you will get this type of output. Let me show you the main class. We have public class main, then integer type myAge, and the public constructor, which is main class, is taking a string as a parameter and just simply printing that parameter. It's got a method set age, and another method is get age. We have a public static void main method, which is executed when run it from the command prompt. So we are creating the object of main class, that is main class MC is equal to new main class and the string as a parameter. Here we are setting the age, which is mc.setAge 24, and now you can call the mc.getAge method to get the data from the age variable. And similarly, we can also access the instance variable. To access the instance variable, we have to just mc.myAge, so it will get the value of myAge from the MC object, and we are just simply printing it here. To run the sample, first we need to compile the class java c main class.java. It is compiled to execute Java and main class. So it is executed, printed the output.
So visit our website and learn the JSP here. Apart from this, we have tutorials on Hibernate, Struts, XML, Spring, and all the frameworks related to Java. Thanks for viewing the tutorial. Visit our website and learn